Oh, look at that fish on, guys. Fish on, guys. One more. Gotcha.
Good morning, Jamaican shore fishing. Welcome back to the channel, and pick up yourself, guys. Just remember, please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys, and stay tuned today. I'm on a roll today, guys. I'm not going too far today, guys. I'm about to head out to someplace close to the house because I got a few engagements to deal with today, you know, personal stuff. So, you know, we don't get fishing mixed up with that, but we're still going to get out there today, guys, and get you guys a video and see what I can hook up. Who knows? I might bump into Brian again. He's always at the fishing spots where I'm at lately. You know, he's been all over the place. But I hope you guys like those last two videos. It was a very long video, so I had to break it down and split the video in two, guys. So just stay tuned. I haven't even posted those yet, but you know what's up. Once you get those, you get those. That is it. Stay tuned. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here.
Shore fishing, guys. Big up yourself. Welcome back. Remember one of our favorite spots. Low tide today, but water looks laying down flat. I'm wondering what we'll pick up. I see a whole bunch of fish. Look at the size of that sea urchin. Whole bunch of fish under here, guys. Whole bunch of grunts, baby grunts and stuff like that. You guys can see them clear as day here. Whole bunch of sea urchins still, guys. But let's get this lure out and see what we can pick up this morning. I don't see any divers close by yet, guys, or hear any potential hits yet. I've been hitting some yellowtail and jacks lately. Ooh, look at that one. Ooh, he all riled up. I don't know where he came from. He came from the rock. That bad boy came out of nowhere. Guess that noise is getting him riled up, guys. You know, I'm gonna change that lure back to my Uzuri crystal minnow in a bit, though. Sun's not over this spot yet, so you're not gonna get much, how would you say, flickering action. So I'm using this for now because this is gonna give me that noise. It has this little rattle noise that it makes when it's under the water, which amplifies by 10 when it's under the water. Got a hookup issue here. I don't like that. I'm surprised I don't see a whole bunch of squids. Whole bunch of baby grunts, guys. A whole lot of baby grunts. I see them all throughout here. Whole lot of them. But that's not the size fish we're hunting for. So it's real sensitive at times. Certain words just trips it off. I'm gonna have to turn down the sensitivity on it. So sometimes you test your lure with the fish, guys. See if it gets the other little ones excited, but casting it out, see what I can pick up here. I don't want to get wet as yet, because like I said, I left my car down a little bit further down, walked up. Most likely the barras are down there by that pier down there. I'm gonna head down there in a second. I just came up here to test this water. That's why I didn't even intended to do any wade fishing up here, guys, because I kind of felt the vibes. The big fish are down there by that pier, and that's what I'm aiming for. But we're gonna walk the beaches down there and see what's up. At the deep water. I just had to come up here and just check it real quick. I didn't want to just scuff it out, because I have caught big barras here. It must have been just a one-off thing. But and that's weird. He's not grabbing if he's here, man. Let's get that out there a little further. Oh, I hate when that happens and come across my camera. I was actually on that reef a while back fishing the other day. I'm ready to pick anything else up there. But yeah, guys, we're gonna head down the line. We're gonna get two more casts here, and we're gonna head further down. We're gonna hit that wall, hit that another spot, and then we're gonna hit that pier. But most likely I'm probably gonna skip the wall and the other spot, or stop at the wall and then skip the other spot and then hit the pier offhand. It's kind of low tide. I'm not feeling it, but you might get lucky and pick up a one barra and hopefully not get stuck. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna change this lure. It's kind of big for this area, but it's not really. It's just this lure dives pretty deep. What I don't want it to do is get stuck. Let's get another one on here. This wire lead is bent to hell too. Part of it, guys. This is what's up. You're rolling with Jamaican shore fishing, guys, and this is what we do. I don't know, I don't like putting them back when they're wet either. I'm looking for a crystal minnow so I can get a fresh wire lead. I hope I have one. Yep, I do have a fresh one in here, guys. Always have a fresh wire lead. I change them on a regular basis, especially when they bent like this. No good. Because I'm so close to the car, it makes no sense. So I was just switching that off, getting a fresh wire lead in. Fresh lure with the sunlight. Should get a nice glitter on that Yazori. See, I got that attraction already. As they see it, they move to it. That Yazori definitely puts off that effect that you want. Look at that cast. That's one sexy piece of lure right there, guys. The Yazori crystal minnows, guys. Get them in every color. We'll get down there to the beach real quick and start walking that beach, guys. Yeah, let's get down to the pier. I'm not even gonna walk them rocks this morning. I'm gonna try down at the pier and just keep it moving. Alright, stay tuned. Hey guys, looks like they had a party here last night or something. But they're cleaning up that stuff now. I guess all kinds of shit went down last night. Let's see what we can pick up here early this morning, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. No chase. Nothing, guys. Oh, it's a floating dock for a boat. Ooh, look at the barra. Look at that barra right there, guys. Right there. If you guys can see him on the camera. Let me get the other camera down. Right there, he's right underneath there. I'm gonna go after him. I'm gonna go after him, guys. Watch this. We're gonna go after him. He's a nice barra too. About a pound, pound and a half, give or take. Let's get his attention. These are right there, guys. Not messing with him anymore, guys. Ooh, look at all the lobster heads. Huh? Somebody chucked a whole bunch of lobster heads over there. Get a little cast out in this deeper water, guys. Might be a bigger one in there. And I'm sitting here messing with that small one. Ooh, look at that fish on, guys. You guys seen that? Barra. That bad boy was quick. That was a quick barra a while ago, guys. Barras. One barra down. You were a quick fella. I seen you clear as day grab that lure, guys. That was cool. That was awesome. Come on. Let me get you. I'm gonna put you down. I can't be bothered with the nonsense right now. One barra down, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. There you go. He ain't going nowhere. I knew he was around here. Swift little fella. Whoop. Didn't want to do that. I'm sure he's not the only fellow in here. Can't get away today, buddy. Get my lunch. For sure, bud. I wonder if Brian gave me back my string. You a swift little fella. Yeah. If we can pick 2 more of these up, we're good today. Well, I got divers in the water too. That bad boy grabbed that line like it was no tomorrow. He was not playing with that. See if I can get your cuz down here. Yeah. Kind of knew they was here, guys, because this is like one of their stomping grounds. Trying to get a 360 cast around this pair. Yeah, buddy. Can't go nowhere, buddy. One fish I caught. First fish all morning. You're getting hit. You hit this morning. Oh, I see a whole bunch of lionfish down there. Damn, shame I can't get rid of them. Oh, might be him that was here on patrol. I don't see him anymore. So it has to be this guy. Yep. Definitely him. Nothing yet, guys. Casting out in this grass, trying to get out there. But see if I can pick up another one. And some small ones. That little fella ain't going for it. A whole bunch of pretty fish underneath the pier. A whole bunch of mangrove snappers and stuff like that. See a trumpet fish right there. That's on that pole. But they're also aggressive fish also. There's a whole bunch around these pylons and stuff like that, guys. Oh damn, I see another barra right there, guys. Yep. He wants to be a second candidate. He wants to be a second candidate, guys. Guess he's full. You don't want to grab it. Damn it. He's not going for it. Guess he's kind of hip to it already. His boy got caught. He's there. I've seen two of them. But these guys are well fed. They got a lot of food around them, guys. That's why they're not operating how they are. How they're supposed to. Just grab and run. Yeah, we're gonna go down the line, guys. We're gonna walk the beach. Head to the next pier down there. And see if we can get one more. See what's up, Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. Out here, guys. Regular out here, guys. Just trying our thing. Hunting, guys. That's what we're doing. Natural hunting, as we're used to. I want to scan this beach still. I know we might find one more too. Much over this side. I dropped my line earlier. I didn't see any more. We'll just walk the beach, guys. Let's see what's up. And work it. And we'll just get a cast out whenever we can. Woo, a little one grabbed it, guys. He almost got hit. A little one chased it a while ago. Right to the water edge. See, there he go again. He's small though. Yeah, this one that I got here is about a pound. He's good enough. Oh, here goes another one right there too. Let's mess with him. Alright, we're gonna get him. A little baby one. Got a couple of juvies here. We're not gonna mess with these guys. We'll go further down, guys. I seen one or two more in here. They're picking up at the bait fish because all the bait fish are right here. That's what they're picking off at. I see one or two of them right here. Yeah, they're picking off at the bait fish in the water, guys. Bunch of fryers and mullets and whatever the case might be. Walking down a little bit further. Cast out a bit longer. Yeah, this is, yes, I know it's paradise. Yes, yes, we love it. Yes, we love it too, guys. And we do this all the time. Jamaican shore fishing. We'll walk a little bit further down. A little bit more structure in there here. See what's up, guys. Nothing. Don't see anything, guys. Oh, he hit it and let go. He hit it, let go, guys. Hit it, let go. He hit it and let go, guys. Something hit it right there. Let's get it back out there. I see you. Yep, it was a little one. Hit and miss. Nothing, guys. Let's move. We got one little one. It's all right. There was a party here last night. Apparently they're packing it up now, and this is how they do it here in JA, guys. We go fishing.
Gonna get wet. Damn mess. All the plastic bottles end up in the water. Oh boy, aftermath. Yep, this is how they do our beaches. Aftermath of a party. One barra. There has to be one here someplace. Got mullets in the water, guys. See them? I think my head cam is giving me a headache from being so damn tight. Ooh, I see you, buddy. Oh, there's a bunch of snappers following, guys. We're not. I've been getting these from the other day, guys. We got cast out of weight on here or something. Wicked wind knot too, guys. Look at this. I don't understand, why am I getting so many wind knots? I've been getting them all weekend last weekend. I come back this weekend again, guys. I get a whole bunch of them again. I put a weight on here. I casted it out. I got out pretty good distance on the cast. I wind it back up. I didn't have any problems for a while, and then now it comes back again. Like, what the fudge, man? I just got a wind knot a while ago, guys. Wicked wind knot. I don't have no idea how the hell I got that wind knot. But the struggle was real. So now, got barras laying around all over the fucking place here, and none of them's picking up. None of them's picking up, guys. Shuffle over here and see what we can get from over here, guys. Always one monster over here hanging out. Even though I can't see Jack Diddley squat from over here. Fish on, guys. Aha! One more. Gotcha. Son of a gun, you. Gotcha, another one. 2 barras to the string. That's what's up. 2 down, guys. This one's a little bit small, but they go good today. It's all right. Let me get this hook out. Oh, I got you, buddy. Sure fishing. Barra day today. Yeah, sure fishing. That is it. Doing it today, guys. Time is it? 7:30. Time for me to go in now, shore fishing. Not much happening today, guys. Got some barras running around here. Not no big barras, but we got a little something, little action in today, guys. That's what's up. You're done, fella. One for me, one for Laurie. That's what's up. Alright. Let me get you strung up and get you in there. Hey, I'm on vacation. Alright, let's go. Let's get you home. Yep. Yes, mommy.
Jerry,
Yeah.
your father call you?
No?
Mister call you?
No?
Where you there?
I'm out fishing.
Mel dead.
Who?
Mel.
God have mercy. Oh my God, guys. Yeah, guys, I just got a phone call a while ago from my mom.
let me know that my stepmom passed away. And yeah, guys, it's kind of a messed up situation. I'm actually trying to hold back my emotions and what was happening. This what's happened. And it's a sticky situation. Somebody I grew up with my whole life. And oh my God. Holy shit. Oh man. I'll head in, guys. I think this fishing trip has come to an end. I need to go home.
Yeah, guys, so I couldn't even see my front screen before when I told you guys what was happening. Apparently my mom just called me a while ago and she's let me know my stepmom passed away, guys, and whew, she was like a mom to me just as well. And she'll be missed. And I don't even know how to head's all twisted right now, guys. Not good. Not a good feeling. I didn't expect this to happen now or anytime soon, but unfortunately it's something that's imminent and you can't help it when stuff like that happens. You just have to just live with it and just deal with the situation as best as possible. So, all said and done, thank you guys for watching Jamaican Shore Fishing today.